Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about a recording device. It's called Plot. It is a credit card sized device that can be used to record conversations. So this new and improved updated device, it actually has two microphones. It can record conversations that are close, like maybe phone calls or conversations where you're talking to someone face to face or close to you, but also it can record conversations within 16 feet of you. So this device, it is AI enabled, so it can attach to things like ChatGPT or other AI models. It is made to transcribe audio and be able to give the user a written transcript of those files that are recorded. The challenge here always with new and emerging technology, we're seeing these technologies come out where they're faster, better, cheaper, smaller, and companies, especially companies, may not know how to address these types of technologies because the technology is capable of doing things that they had not thought about in the past. So, for a company, if you have a very good, or maybe need to update your digital use policies to let people know that they aren't allowed to surreptitiously record conversations or information where, first of all, someone may not know that they're being recorded, and then those recordings, because it's a personal device, may be taken out of the corporate environment. Also, companies need to be aware and people need to be aware that there are laws around recording people without their consent. And so you have to really think about that when you're adopting a new technology. I think this is kind of like shadow IT or shadow AI on steroids, where companies may not be aware that people have these capabilities. We're already seeing some upheaval within companies where people, for example, are adding AI note takers to meetings without people consenting, and people are very upset about that. So this takes it to even another level where you may not visibly understand or see there's a device in your proximity that's recording something that you're saying, and then that information is being beamed outside of the company, possibly on a personal device from a user. So it remains to be seen how successful this company will be with this particular device. I definitely see some challenges with companies as they may not understand that people have recording devices and what they're doing with those, especially in a industrial espionage type of situation where maybe there's trade secrets, maybe there's proprietary corporate information that you don't want to be outside of the company, but then someone may have a device that they can just buy off the internet and get a subscription and they can transcribe everything. So it remains to be seen what companies will do about this. And I'm really, although this video is about this particular note taker device, it really is the broader message around technology evolving so fast that companies may not really know what to do to respond to the risk, and also think about what weighing the risk and the benefits of these types of technologies, especially as it relates to recording information from people, especially if they may not be aware of their being recorded, and then also what happens to that data once it's recorded. That's it. Thank you.